This AI tool claims it can replace your sales team and generate 30% more pipeline. Big claim. So I spent some time digging into it. No demo access, but I reviewed the platform, its features, and what people are saying. Let's figure out if this tool is actually useful or just another overhyped SaaS with a fancy purple landing page. The tool is called Pocus. And no, it's not a magic spell, but it kind of acts like one. Pocus uses AI to tell your sales team exactly who to focus on and why that account is worthy of your time. It's like having a personal researcher and strategist working behind the scenes whispering, "Hey, this lead just spiked product usage and moved your pricing page. It's time to go." At the core of Pocus is something they call the relevance agent. This is the AI agent that pulls in data from all over your stack, like your CRM, product analytics, LinkedIn, email activity, even job boards. And it turns that into smart signals. So instead of your reps wasting time with cold leads or digging through spreadsheets, they just open Pocus and see, here's who's hot right now. Go! It's a major time saver, especially if you're dealing with hundreds or thousands of accounts. And it's not just alerts, you also get playbooks, which are like no-code workflows that automatically trigger when a certain sequence of buyer activity happens. You can say if someone signs up, views pricing, and then comes back for a second session, send an alert to sales team and drop them into warm email flow. No need to beg your RevOps team. Just set it up yourself, it's no code. Now, why does this matter? Because modern B2B sales is chaos. Reps are drowning in data, bouncing between 10 different tools and wasting hours trying to figure out what matters. Pocus fixes that. It connects everything, filters the noise, and shows you what's actionable. It's like a GPS for your pipeline, telling where to turn, what to skip, and how to get revenue faster. Also, please consider subscribing if you found this video valuable. Thanks, and let's get on with the video. Let's break down the pros. First, it's built for product-led growth. So if your users self-serve, explore your product, and generate data on their own, Pocus turns that data into sales insights. Second, it's no code. You don't need a developer or ops engineer to use it. Anyone can create alerts and playbooks in Visual Builder. Third, it's deeply customizable. You can bring in your own custom data, signals, rules, whatever, and the AI learns over time, so your targeting gets smarter. Now the cons. First and most obvious, there's no pricing listed anywhere. That usually means it's expensive or at least enterprise focused. So if you're a solo founder or an early stage startup, this might not be in your budget. Second, it's not a full SDR replacement. It doesn't write cold emails, book meetings, or follow up. It tells you what to go after, but you still need to take action. Think of it like a smart targeting system, not a full outreach engine. Who is Pocus actually for? If you're a GTM team at a growing SaaS company, especially one with a product-led model, this is gold. If you have lots of user data with no clear way to prioritize leads, this tool helps you cut the noise. It's also great for RevOps teams who want to unify product, CRM, and marketing signals into one view without building complex dashboards or hiring a data engineer. Now for the fun part, Pocus versus Agent Frank from Salesforge. You might have seen our video on Agent Frank. It's an AI SDR that writes cold emails, personalizes them based on LinkedIn or website data, sends them, follows up, and even manages your warm inbox. It's basically outreach on autopilot. Pocus, on the other hand, doesn't touch your inbox. It focuses on finding the right people at the right time. The who and the when, not the what to say, how to handle objections, or reply. So how do you choose between them? If your problem is, I don't know who to target, you can go with Pocus, even though Agent Frank can also generate leads. But if your problem is writing and scaling cold emails and you want to hit as many people as possible, Agent Frank wins. Pocus for warm, inbound leads, and Frank as an outbound machine. Humans plus AI working together, not replacing each other. So in conclusion, Pocus isn't a gimmick. It's a well-designed, powerful platform for serious sales teams, but it's not for everyone. If you're looking for an easy AI that will just blast cold emails for you, this isn't it. You should look at Agent Frank. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. If you use any of those tools or any other AI sales agents, please share your experience in the comments down below. And if you want me to review any other tool, also let me know in the comments.